Northern Railroad Swing Bridge, and it was replaced with another swing bridge, right, across the Red River, and it's also between um, East Grand Forks, Minnesota, and Grand Forks, North Dakota. Show you something. Now this is a point of truss being in on the right. Now see, look. And then you got another swing bridge and background too. So now see, look. There you go. Now this bridge was replaced with another swing bridge. And it's in East Grand Forks, Minnesota.